You're watching How Leap. Let's fix photo and video uploads not working on X, formerly Twitter. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one works better. Next, check the X app for updates in your device's app store. An outdated app can cause upload failures. Then, force close the X app and restart it. On iPhone, swipe up from the bottom and pause. On Android, open recent apps and swipe X away. Clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, find X, tap Storage and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, offload and reinstall the app via Settings, General iPhone Storage. Also, check your storage space. If your phone is full, it cannot save the media for upload. Finally, check X's server status online to see if there is a widespread outage. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.